Yes, bud.
You best.
What's you? So I just added to two of my positions. I added to American Airlines and Delta, actually up here towards the top. It felt like it was consolidating up here, and I just felt like we were going to get a rip at the bell. So that was why I did it. Not really upset with it. They were all under my average at the time anyway, and we still have another ad left. So if this really wants to go down even lower, it's fine. I wasn't going to add on Friday because I thought we were still going to go lower. Let me see. That's your brother. And but yeah, it's okay, even if it wants to continue down here. Christian, what's up? Thomas, what's up? And marketing, what's going on, guys? Let's see what we got today. We're running a little bit late here. We got about a minute to the bell. Of course, we get a long one. Don't be distracted by where you are right now. Instead, make steps in the direction of where you want to be. Let's get to it. Clear my throat. You can still hear it during the intro. Alrighty, so don't really have too much on the scanners here. I think I need to change my sound. I'm only going to be here till a little bit before 10 o'clock today, as usual right now, with the wife being home for work because she has her Monday morning meeting. That is you. Did I say it was Camden?
Yeah.
Let me see. Is it? Oh yeah, that is you. I just thought it was Camden because we had a picture of you before that. But I forgot we made this book a while ago. There you go. So we're just going to be using the scanners. What's up, Jeff? How you doing? We got about 5 seconds here to the bell. So definitely using the scanners. Good luck, everybody. And let's get it. Can't play MESO here. Of course, my kiddo, since I've been awake, hasn't really cried all morning. CVNA being really jumpy here out of the open. There was some relatively good news, I guess. They were saying the virus is starting to slow down. I'm just going off what some guys in the Discord were saying. But if that's the case, that's kind of why we got the gap up, I'm assuming. Watching CVNA here. There's that PENN again. That thing is... We got to play it one time, and then we lost all of our shares on it. Yes, bud. I can't do anything with that. I'm going to go with DRI. Can you please get him some applesauce? I only need a half hour from you today. That is a huge spread. See that 70-cent spread there? We're just going to stay away from that. I know I could try to short the ass, but with my share size, it's going to be a disaster. If I was trading 100 shares or whatever, I would look to do it, but I'm not. Just scrolling through charts here trying to find a trade. I know there's a trade sitting here waiting for us somewhere. This is the one we were looking at, right? Yeah. Yeah, look at that. The spread on this is just insane. We're going to stay away from that one. Get some crazy slippage there if we were to get stopped out. So the SPY must still be doing a little something. Oh, it's kind of chopping. everything that was kind of moving kind of slowed down right out of the gate here. I have SIG up, looking for that to run. Here we go. PENM was that's we would have been in that one, but we didn't have any shares. We haven't had shares in that for a while now. Kind of annoying. DBD. All these movers to the upside really are kind of small movers. Nothing crazy. Minus that, what was it? That we said we were going to stay away from. It was like E something. Or CVNA. Let's see that thing. Look at that. It would have worked out. I did. No one was watching it. I didn't hear about it. Oh, what's in my... No. He's going to have to wait. I don't understand. I don't know why the sound thing doesn't work anymore.
Brandon, can you wait? You don't have to keep asking over and over again. I will get it. Let me get your brother to stop.
This TRTX actually halted. Maybe we'll keep that up, looking for that to come out of the halt. What is the SPY doing? It's actually coming down. Man, I guessed that completely wrong. Yeah, look at that. Son of a... Ended up with some bad ads there on Delta and American, but we still have one more. We'll obviously let those go a little bit. Kind of frustrating. I should have known better. I just woke up. I was like, oh, the market's turning. All right, guys, why is the market turning? Oh, it's turning because there's good news. The virus is slowing down. Okay, well, people are going to eat that up. Yeah, obviously very wrong. Should have known better. It was the first time, I think, in a long time. It was the first time I've done it in the long-term positions where I actually bought into a push up instead of waiting for some kind of a pullback. But it just felt like that it might consolidate where it was. And then at the bell start to move up. Like right here, see how it started? We bought it right here as it was coming back down. So we technically bought a dip, but it was after this big push up, where in reality we should have been waiting for this dip. A little bit of FOMO there, I guess, because American and Delta were both under my average right now, so I wanted to get a good ad down below the average, especially under key areas like the $10 area here on American Airlines, and on Delta just being under that 25 area. So I'm not gonna call them horrible ads, but I mean they definitely weren't the best ads. I could have waited, but then again, it could have ran and they could both be above 10 and 25 respectively right now, and I'd be completely saying something different. So all hindsight. I keep going back to this TRTX because it's on the scanner. There was a lot of stuff on the scanner this morning, but a lot of it was like smaller movers, like 10, 20 cents. Alright, let's pull up TRTX here. Watch this out of the halt as we keep looking around. Be nice if I could type correctly. IVR. There. I have no idea when it actually halted, so kind of sitting here waiting. Yeah, Jeff, I'm not worried about it. Like I could have just waited and got a better ad. I feel like my gut was telling me not to do it, but then I was just my pure FOMO was like, no, get them now. I let the FOMO get me. But again, it was a little different because I'm not necessarily looking for the perfect entry on those every single time, so it wasn't that big of a deal. I feel like everything on both scanners, a lot of it, the range is just not that great. It's kind of what's keeping us away from pretty much everything so far. Everything's like 20 cent range. Yeah, I'm not mad about it. Getting an ad under 10. Well, geez, TRTX said, we're done. All right, so we're not going to be playing TRTX. CODX, we don't have any shares of short here. It is kind of coming up here to some previous resistance, though. So if you do have the shares, CPRI. Here we go. There we go. Here we go. It's about to halt. See if the halt can move up here. It's not halted yet. There goes the move up here. All right, we're going to try this one. See if we can get that quick flush back down towards 10. And as of right this second, even if it halts, it can't take us out. Just need that quick attempt to retest 10. Let's keep looking around here. Looking at KSS as well here. See if we can get this 50 pop on KSS. It's trying. That CPRI is fighting up there. There we go. We're through 50 here on KSS. And we came right back down through. I was hoping for a little bit of a pop through. We didn't quite get it. CPRI, there we go. We're almost on the bid. 2 cents away. Just need that a little bit more. There we are. There we go. Got our fill there on CPRI. Might actually got, yeah, we got 2 cent slippage in our favor there. Seeing if we can get this push through here on KSS. Would ideally like to get up near 70. We just didn't really get that big of an extension here. So that's why I'm a little hesitant. That is the one advantage of the smaller share size, I guess, is you get some, every once in a while you get some slippage for you. It's kind of funny. Scrolling through, still looking at other charts here. Like I said, we're looking for that big push through 50 here on KSS. It's looking like it wants to just hang out here. Yeah, what the heck? Why did that not work? Have to figure that out later. So this isn't doing what we wanted to do. We can get away from it here. Keep looking. There we go, EMPH. Well, that quick we missed that one. I don't know. I was a little hesitant on that one because I had just pulled it up. See if it holds 32 here and maybe pops back up. Still be interested. Excuse me. Trying to remember. All right, what's going on here? All right, there we go. I was about to be pretty upset if that wasn't there. And I'm also a little confused why. I don't even remember how I did that. I did it and was happy that it worked, and now it just doesn't work. Where I could alt print screen and it would save the file. Also have KSS open up here. See if it wants to go back high of day. Want some volume. Same here with EMPH.
That was to make it. Yeah, that was to make it suspend.
This thing actually has room up to 34.
Because they said they wanted.
As we can see, it can move there pretty quickly.
Yeah, 36 bucks to them.
Yes, bud. What is it? Maybe when Daddy's done.
Yeah, so festival.
Here goes KSS. Switch these around. I know what you're asking, bud. Just not right now. I don't even think we have any of those.
And I'm working on the unit, so hopefully I'll have that.
56. See if we can't get up there towards 14 here on this one. EMPH is not really, kind of double top there. GPMT, nothing there. TWO. PUMP. PUMP attempting to go through the highs, but the range there isn't that great. KSS, we were looking for a push up there towards 14. So still just the one trade there in CPRI, which was a winner. Wonder if this would have worked. Yeah, this would have definitely been a 2-to-1 winner as well. It actually looks like a nice descending triangle right now. I need to start taking these more often, but I'm still I stopped watching them for a long time. So I'm more so just watching them at the current moment just to see kind of what I feel like the overall win percentage on them turns out to be. But they are fairly successful. Basically, you look for the triangle to form, which we obviously have a support here at 10. And then you look for the triangle. And when you have the triangle, you kind of wait for it to confirm it's a triangle by squeezing tighter and tighter. And that's when you would get in looking for the break, and you're risking high of day. So it's a set risk. So you'd be risking at 10, 40 cents at high of day. So you'd be looking to make 40 cents. So it's always a 1-to-1 trade, and it's a set risk. So I've been paying more attention to them to see if they work out. RWT, let's take a look back here at the scanners. WES. So here went WES. It's just the range on this is not great at all. It has a ton of volume. It's a float on this, 203 mil. Moves like it's much bigger. I just can't play that, not currently. I need way more share size. IVR, I mean, I could take way more share size, and it's all relevant, but I just don't feel like messing with that right now. DCP, nice little move there again. Look, it's only 20 cents. And again, I'm not saying you can't play these moves. You just have to be willing to use bigger share size. And bigger share, like, again, it's all relative. It's the same amount of money. I don't have the hotkey set up for them, and I just don't feel like messing with them right now. I don't feel 100% here this morning either, so that's kind of why I think I don't even remember what it was that we missed. We were a little hesitant on it. Here we go, ERI. See if we can get a push up here towards 1250. See what it does there. Be nice if we get a push up towards 1250 here and through. And say the move starts here. We like to use that previous resistance. So 74. So we're looking for another push here up to 50 and through, and we would most likely be in this 100%. Man, HASI, that chart looks good, but the volume is absolutely horrible. It's spitting out about 10 to 15,000 in volume every 2 minutes. I just don't think I could play that based off of that. And we just, even so, when we pulled it up, it started making a move down, so we would have missed it anyway. At least this one's getting about 100,000 every 2 minutes, which is definitely more of what we look for. Looks like we're struggling here. We're not going to get up there like we thought. I mean, we could have took the entry there, but I was kind of really looking for that push. To me, this wasn't that extended. This EVRI still kind of pushing up there. DCP, nothing there. Things kind of wacky. What's the SPY doing here? Oh, we're actually at highs. Interesting. So what are the airlines? Of course, the airlines didn't even make it back up to where they were before. They're like right there, right at where I got my entries that I added this morning. It's kind of funny. So CPRI actually so far would have failed the descending triangle. Just to show you guys, we're actually right at high of day. So if you gave this thing a little bit of room up to 1040, you're still in the trade as of right this second, looking for the double top to work out. But obviously this is not the trade that you were looking for. I don't understand why that isn't working. Oh, you know what? Maybe I just need to sign into the thing. I don't even remember. What's it called? OnePoint, I think. OneDrive. All right, click. There we go. See if that worked. There we go. Okay, it still works. I just had to sign in. Alright guys, so I got about 2 minutes here and then I'm gonna have to get out of here. So so far just the one winner here on CPR. If you guys are new here, by the way, name's Tim here at Volatility Trading. Don't forget to hit like and the subscribe button. If you hit the little bell next to the subscribe button, you'll get notified when I go live every single morning. I go live just like this every single morning, so feel free to tune in. And then we also have the Friday night live streams. So don't miss out on those. I'm usually here till 10:30, and sometimes it even runs till 11, depending on what the market's doing. But unfortunately, on Monday mornings right now with the Roni situation going on, I have to get off at 10 because my wife has her weekly morning meeting that she has to attend now that she's working from home because of the quarantine. So just here on Mondays. Sorry to have to let you guys go a little bit early, but unfortunately, we're going to have to. And what did GDT say here real quick? Interested in what CPRI does. Been considering those DT plays with an add at high of day and a stop just over. Haven't done enough work on it yet. Yeah. So me and GDT actually have the same exact idea with these descending triangles, except he's looking to actually get an add here for a double top. And in that case, it actually would have worked out so far, it looks like. So that way you can kind of maybe even look to get break even if it decides to grind. If it does eventually go back down towards the lows, you're in a nice winner, all that good stuff. So, and then, yeah, you just have your set risk stop right over the highs. So it's definitely something good to look at, but I'm going to get out of here, guys. It was nice talking to all of you this morning, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace. There's a thumb in there.